Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download and step by step I show you in this video. So open any browsers to type Dell Pro 14 plus, then service tray and then driver. After that, this first link dell.com. So just click on not this because this is the official website. Now if you want to install the all driver, so you can click here, check for update, and it will show the required driver you can install easily. Otherwise, if you have to install specific driver related to you are getting some issues and all, so you can install this selector driver. After the scroll down, this is your system and this is your model number, and okay, scroll down, click on category. So after that, it will your driver will show like categorize. Scroll down. Now chipset. Okay, so this is a chipset driver, and this is download icon. So after that it will start and it will show, then open it, then click to yes, then click to continue. Now this is installing chipset serial. So you can see this is a install, and then close it, then restart your system. Thank you.